All right, another edition of Daily Drafting Practice. Moving right along on to page 133, figure 263, the saddle block in the 1946 Fundamentals of Engineering Drawing textbook. I'll have some information about that book in the description below. Brought my reference image in, and as always, I'll try to call out all my shortcut keys so you can draw along if you want. So let's get started. So R to get the rectangle tool. We're just going to block this guy in. So we have 4 3/8 inch wide by 2 5/8 inches that way. So 4 3/8, comma 2 5/8. Enter. P to push pull, and it looks like we're 9/16 high. Alright, so then to the center here, we are 11/16, so T, 11/16, and then from here over is 11/16. And then that V opens up across the center to 7/16. So from here, 7/32, and then this direction is 7/32. So that should give us 7/16. All right. So do the same thing right here. 7/32, 7/32. All right, and we are 1/4 inch down, it looks like. So 0.25, enter. All right, and then we have 60 degrees across the center there. So I'm going to make this a group so it's not sticky. Then I'm going to grab my line tool, go from the center, and I'm just going to go out an arbitrary amount. And select the line, hit Q, left arrow key to lock onto the green axis, and I'm just going to turn that up, hit Control to make a copy, 60 degrees. L for the line tool, just to close it up to make it easier to see. Alright, so now if I hit Q to rotate, lock onto the green axis again, if I rotate it up 60 degrees, that should get me right in the center. And then I'm going to hit M to move, and right where these two guys intersect, I'm going to click right there. Up arrow key to lock onto the blue axis, and I'm just going to go right down here to where I snap on my, what was that? 7/16 inch wide layout line. Alright, L for the line tool to create the bottom. I'll just delete these guys. Delete. Whoops. L for line tool and go across there to close that up. Alright, and right click, reverse faces, M to move. I'm going to grab it by the center, Control to copy, move it over there. Alright. So hold the shift key down to select both of them, Control copy, delete, double click to enter the component, paste in place, P to push pull, and it cut those guys out. Alright, and now we have to drill our hole here. So T for a guide, and we're 2 3/16 inches to the center. So 2 3/16 inches. And this guy is 1 5/16. 1 5/16. Enter. C for circle, and what is our 17/32 radius, so 17/64 radius will give us a 17/32 diameter. All right, P to push pull. Whoops. Snap to the bottom edge. Control D, delete all our guides. All right, there we go. Let's put some dimensions on here just to make sure we didn't screw something up. To the center there. Right click, find center, 2 13/16. All right, there we go. Thanks for drawing along.